Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the best scrambled eggs ever. First, gather your ingredients. For each serving, plan on using 2 to 3 large eggs. Crack them into a bowl and whisk them gently with a fork, just until the yolks and whites are combined. For an extra creamy texture, consider adding a small splash of milk or cream to the mixture before cooking. Now let's get cooking. Heat a non-stick pan over low to medium-low heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt completely. Once the butter is shimmering, pour in your egg mixture. Allow the eggs to set for about 30 seconds without stirring. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, folding the eggs as they cook. The key to perfect scrambled eggs is knowing when to stop cooking. You want to remove them from the heat when they are still slightly wet and glossy, not completely dry. The residual heat from the pan will continue to cook them to that ideal, creamy consistency. Immediately transfer them to a plate and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Your delicious, creamy scrambled eggs are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately to experience their best texture and flavor. They pair wonderfully with a slice of buttered toast, crispy bacon, or some fresh avocado. For an extra touch, consider stirring in a pinch of fresh chives or a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese right before serving. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.